is Faith Darrow. I am from Fort Worth, Texas. I am currently a senior at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, where I am studying communications and marketing. I am here in Madrid this summer working for a company called International Schools Partnerships, and also with two affiliate schools, St. George's International School of Madrid and Internacional Aravaca in Madrid. I am a marketing and admissions intern with ISP, so that looks like helping with marketing campaigns, sitting in on strategy meetings, and also helping with the admissions process and prospective families. I help move them through the admissions process and make it as easy as possible. ISP is a network of private schools. We help take over the marketing and admissions process in those schools, and it is a worldwide organization, so I've been able to network with people and organizations globally. I've also gotten a lot of experience with the CRM, which is a client resource management. So I have gotten to do a lot of work with customer service, client relations, and just improved my communication skills overall. Also, I have been able to directly see key performance indicators and be able to see how our marketing campaigns directly influence the enrollment process. I would definitely recommend doing the Intern Group. It has allowed me to not only network, but also gain an international mindset. The company I work for, we preach on instilling an international mindset in our kids, and I think prior to this experience, that's not something that I had, and now afterwards I can go back to school knowing kind of how an international workforce works, and I think that that's something that I can bring to a job that other candidates wouldn't be able to. I've been able to improve my Spanish and just general communication skills with other people and with strangers, and it has just grown my confidence so much as an individual, as a potential candidate going into the workforce after my last year of school. So yes, I would definitely recommend doing an internship abroad.